Hello everyone, I'm Wolfgang from the Tank Encyclopedia team, and today I will be painting and weathering the T-62 Mod 75 from Trumpeter in 35th scale. I'm starting with painting the tracks. Used paints are shown on screen. We are still experimenting with this video format. If you have any requests or critique, please let us know in the comments below. You can notice multiple shades of green for Russian tanks on the pictures shown. Therefore they are the best subjects for being creative and accurate at the same time. Have fun! Don't forget to warm up the spray can in warm water before spraying the model. Do more, lighter layers, and the result will be more even. I didn't prepare the plastic in any way, but you may want to look out for fatty residues on the parts before painting. A gentle wash in lukewarm water with some dishwashing soap will clean the parts. Let the parts dry completely. The next step is to pronounce the details on the kit with a pin wash. I'm using AK Dark Brown again. Application is easy, just use a small brush and tap the detail. Repeat until there's enough wash on the parts for your liking. If you find it too much, you can remove it with some white spirit and apply it again if needed. The fun part can begin. Adding layers of AK Interactive Russian earth pigments on a layer of acrylic thinner will make a nice muddy base. Use as much as you like, you can still remove excess. Using a second layer of lighter pigments will emulate dried mud. It's a 50-50 mix of AK Dark Earth and light dust. In addition, you can thin the pigments and splatter lighter and darker splashes over the tank with a stiff brush or toothbrush for more realistic effects. The photos at the end will show more details. Don't waste pigments. I always gather them on my cutting board or paper so I can put them back in the container. I'm also picking them up with my brush again while working with them. Here I'm creating some color modulation with artist oil paints and white spirit. Don't be afraid to make a lot of spots with the colors you want to work with. Use a clean, stiffer brush with white spirit to take away and mix in the oil paints. The final step is for me to make some chipping effects. I use a mix of Mang White and German Light Olive Green in 50-50 ratio. Using a 5/0 brush, I can add chipping in the often used areas. The kit luckily contains 4 AK carbines and they make a wonderful addition to the tank. I used one to hold open a hatch on the back, for example. Be creative, Trumpeter encourages you. final verdict of this kit is very positive. Trumpeter has delivered an accurate and well-molded kit that looks fantastic. The build session, as mentioned in the first video, was easy and straightforward. For the price of 25 euros, it was on sale. I absolutely do recommend this kit. If you liked this video and want to see more tank related content on our page and on YouTube, please visit our Patreon site if you'd like to donate. For more interesting content, visit one of the shown outlets. Thanks for watching the second and final part of this mini-series. Next time we will be building something different than tanks, but rest be assured we won't deviate too much from our theme. Have a great time until next time.